commercial cinema, na, Suchi, unfortunately still follow a very protocol thing, like a formula thing. A lot of times people ask me, like, why are you not wearing a designer dress all the time, or it बहुत पैसा लगता है
कहाँ से आएंगे?
बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे लगते हैं. Intelligence is very sexy. Suchi, I love you and thank you so much for doing this. You are amazing.
Rajshri Deshpande in Los Angeles. Hello. Hi, Raj.
Hi, Suchi.
Where are we right now? Can you tell people where we are in Los Angeles?
ये अपना flea market है. It's an artist flea market. It's an artist paradise where you get to see different kind of stuff, like lots of beautiful jewelries are here. There are some artistic T-shirts, painted ones are there.
Yep.
So yeah, it's very nice. Come, I'll show you more.
Acha, so now we are in Los Angeles because the Indian Film Festival of Los Angeles, IFLA, is going on,
Yes.
where Rajshri Deshpande is in and as Hema.
Hema.
Tell us about Hema, Raj.
Hema. I feel Hema is it's a story of every other human being. If of course the description is written, it's a story of a mother who moves, like is transitioning from one place to another. But I feel it's a story of every other human being.
Yeah.
Because we all go through a transition in life, a place of loneliness, a belonging spaces. So yeah, so Hema is like that.
How's it been like bringing your film here to Los Angeles? And
Oh,
this is your third or fourth film in LA?
I think, yeah, it's a fourth film, I guess, third film accordingly. But look, I'm going to show you this. Oh my God, this is so lovely. Okay, yeah, my first film, Angry Indian Goddesses, was premiered here, and then Sexy Durga, and I think Manto was also here, but yeah, I don't know, but yeah, and now Hema. So it's a pretty cool thing. And it's always amazing to come back to IFLA because IFLA is home, the people are beautiful, and I'm glad the association is so strong and together since so many years. So Christina, very good job.
बहुत सारे फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स में आप जा चुकी है ना, अगर आपको गिनाने हो तो कितने हो गए हैं टोटल?
Yeah, almost everywhere,
Almost.
everywhere. And I feel I'm so happy and lucky that the amount of films I have done, every film has traveled to the festival, be it to Toronto Film Festival, to Rotterdam, to Cannes, to Venice, to Berlin, to it's so amazing now. I feel so great to be part of a creative person in this. Yeah.
पर जब आप फिल्में साइन करते हो राज, क्या आप ये सोचते हो कि ये फिल्म फेस्टिवल में जाएगी या नहीं जाएगी, कैसे पिक्चर बनने वाली है?
एक तो देखो मैं ना बहुत कम फिल्में करती हूँ,
हाँ।
तो जो भी करती हूँ वो इतने मेहनत करने वाले डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर होते हैं जो अपना सब कुछ लुटा के फिल्म बना रहे होते हैं. So you can see the kind of a passion they all come with.
Yeah.
And when you have a passion with you, when you have that zeal to do something and really want to tell that story and want best of the people together, even if it's a smaller budget or whatever it is, it goes to the festival at least, because see, commercial cinema, na, Suchi, unfortunately still follow a very protocol thing, like a formula thing or and all. So I'm glad festivals like now IFLA is giving platform to such amazing films, which will make, I don't know when will they see the the commercial space or the release part of it.
Yeah.
Because commercially you really need to put in lots of money and distributors and theaters and everything. उसमें तो और एक फिल्म बन जाएगी उन लोगों की.
सही बात है.
Yeah.
सही बात है. यहाँ पे इफ्ला में आपने क्या-क्या देखा अभी तक बताओ?
मैंने अंडरकरंट देखा, मैंने of course all the shots I have seen.
Yeah.
Girls will be girls देखा, Kill देखा, and
अच्छी सिलेक्शन है.
बहुत ही अच्छा है. Always
Yeah.
the best ones. I feel like they choose like last year Atom was there, which was one of my favorite Malayalam film. So every year they select really well. Amazing team. Like imagine having Anu Rangachara to Namrata Joshi to many other people who really understand cinema.
Absolutely.
They are here because they know what the creative process is. They don't see it like ये इसमें बहुत बड़े स्टार है तो उनको ले लो, ऐसा तो नहीं है. So
अभी आपने कहा कि आप बड़ी कम फिल्में करते हो और जो अच्छी फिल्में होती है वो अपने आप उनका रास्ता निकल आता है और फिल्म फेस्टिवल तक
I
रास्ता
know,
पहुंच ही जाता है.
yeah.
पर इतनी कम फिल्में आप करते हो तो किस किस्म की फिल्मों को मना करते हो आप? क्योंकि ऑफर्स तो आते रहते होंगे ना धड़ाधड़.
यार किस तरह की फिल्में, मतलब it says
सेक्सी दुर्गा.
intelligence is very sexy. Yeah, so I like to choose films which has this this because films are something which makes you go through your own life.
Yeah.
Makes you feel good about things.
Yeah.
Makes you feel happy, sad, and so films is something like a mirror.
Yeah.
It influences you also along with the side. So I feel it's a responsibility for an artist to choose, what kind of a creative.
You feel that responsibility,
Yeah, absolutely. So I feel, that if I want to do a film which has a derogatory or titillating or a propaganda kind of a thing, I think I would not like to do that.
And you
because
find yourself refusing those kinds of things
absolutely,
often.
I've refused so many. I'm going to be jobless one day.
पैसों की कमी नहीं होती जब हम मना
अरे।
करते रहते हैं यार चीजों को, क्योंकि LA आना जाना ये कोई सस्ती चीजें थोड़ी हैं.
Yeah, thankfully the festival is there to kind of push you on a basic things. They support you on that front. But yeah, it is difficult because as an artist, we all have rainy days. जब काम नहीं होता तो कहाँ से पैसे लाएंगे?
सही बात है.
So I save a lot by
Having good associations with people.
Absolutely, I feel one should know how to handle their finances when they get into a creative side, because
Yeah.
हमें भाई महीना खत्म होने के बाद पैसा तो नहीं मिल रहा है ना. We
सही
don't
बात है,
know
हमें
where the
salary तो
next
नहीं आ रही है.
salary is going to come, and we don't know how we are going to do in case if there is no work, then we don't know how we're going to pay that. So मुझे लगता है कि जो भी एक भी काम मिल जाए ना, whatever money you're going to get, just know how to save that and how to spend that thing.
इन्वेस्टमेंट्स वगैरह सिखाते नहीं है हमें करने के लिए,
नहीं,
खास तौर
वही
पे
तो
लड़कियों को
ना,
तो बिल्कुल नहीं
वही तो
सिखाते
ना.
हैं.
So no matter how much everything is tempting, if you know that you don't want to do that project because it's bad, don't buy anything now.
Invest your money. Yeah, don't
Invest
shop at the flea
yourself.
market.
Don't shop. It's beautiful, very nice, amazing.
But पैसे बचाओ.
पैसे थोड़े
Speaking
बचा लो
of पैसे
because-
बचाओ, पैसे
yeah,
कमाओ.
I know. No, see, temptation is there because the social media, shows you so many things that you feel like, oh, I also want to own everything.
Capitalism.
Yeah, I know. Like even as an artist, actor करके वो है ना कि आपको डिज़ाइनर ड्रेसेस पहनने हैं, आपको अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें लेनी है because you are an actor, and like a lot of times people ask me like why are you not wearing a designer dress all the time, or it बहुत पैसा लगता है यार
कहाँ से
उसमें.
आएंगे?
बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे लगते हैं, and I feel that it's not important at all.
Speaking of पैसे कमाओ and पैसे बचाओ, what is happening next? What are we going to see you do next?
There are 2-3 projects I've done. One I won't be able to tell you what it is. It's a South Indian film.
Oh.
It's interesting. And there's an Amazon show coming on. I don't know when it's going to be there.
Okay.
But it's interesting, fun show.
Awesome.
And let's see. A lot of social work is happening, so I can't tell you.
Thanks Raj, I love you so very much and
love you
always
too.
great talking to you यार.
Same यार, same. तो अब मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको. All she had was oatmeal, one bowl got lost all summer. और अभी ये भी देख सकते हैं. All she had was oatmeal. Again, another thing.
Bye.
Suchi, I love you and thank you so much for doing this. You are amazing.